have told you that you need paid tools in other people's videos to create an AI influencer that dances. What I'm about to show you today will change that narrative. For a start, take a look at these dancing girls. Yes, friend, that's an AI dancer made with a free AI tool. Want to learn how to make them? Stick with me as I'll not only show you how to make yours, but I'll be leaving my prompts on the screen for your ease.
All right, so step 1 is open your ChatGPT and type the prompt you now see on the screen. But the source of this is to make sure that the prompt should be 6 seconds per move. Yes, and this is because we're going to be using Grok AI to animate our image, right? And Grok gives you 6 seconds. So I want to make sure that my moves do not just end abruptly. I want to make sure that my moves end exactly 6 seconds per move. Okay. So for me, I am going with 10 different dance styles, right? But for you, you might be going for 10 steps for a hip hop dance. Okay, so it is different. For me, I wanted to test the height of this. I want to test out for the exercise. I want to show the limit of AI. So I wanted to test out different dance steps so you get to see it by yourself here. Okay, so we're going to be checking these styles out together. All right, so you can choose one dance step or one dance style and then break it into different steps. But for the sake of this exercise, we're going with 10 different styles just to make it, beautiful so we can test it out and see the limit together. All right, so I don't just stop there. ChatGPT has given me 10 dance styles, but I want to make sure that I have the right costume and the right location for each of these dances. And then look at what I add. I asked it to keep it trendy and realistic, okay? This is what we're going to be using to generate our character. Now look at this. ChatGPT goes ahead to do all the work. Look at this. I have the location, the costume, and of course the prompt per 6 seconds for every dance style. The next step is to generate your avatar. So I already had this avatar and I'd never used her. So I just thought, hey, this is the time to actually bring this avatar to life. So yeah, we're going into Grok AI now, and then we would switch from the ask feature to the imagine feature so that we can animate this beautiful avatar. Are you ready? All right, so the most important thing right now, as soon as we come to Grok AI, you know that it instantly generates the default video for you, but that's not what we want, right? So we have to click the redo. Remember, I showed you that in the previous video. Click the redo option and then type this base prompt first for every of your generation. Before you add the prompt you got from ChatGPT, make sure you add this base prompt. Change the location and costume completely, but keep the character consistent. Once you do that, then we go over to ChatGPT, copy a prompt for one of our dance steps, and then come and paste it under the base prompt. All right, and then click generate. So once we do that, you can see that it is generating, and within the next seconds it is done. So this is what you do for the rest of your dance steps. Some of the videos might come out well, some might not come out well, like the one that has 3 legs here. Hey, we don't want that, right? So it won't make it to our final cut. But yeah, we can keep generating just like you see me doing on screen here. Keep generating, keep trying it out until you get the videos that you want. Of course, for you, you might be generating different steps, right? So if you are generating different steps, what you want to do is click the last frame. Always get the last frame. For example, when my video ends at 6 seconds, on that last 6 seconds, I would take a screenshot, then come back and import the video into Grok AI and continue from there. That's how you can get a longer video of the same dance step. Okay, so that's the secret to getting a longer step. So let me go straight now into showing you each of the videos that I generated and the prompts that I use. So in case you want to generate yours, you can easily do it. Get ready to take a screenshot.
value in today's video, click the thumbs up button under this video and subscribe if you haven't. See you in another video.